morning, trucker babes. It's your girl Kash, and this is my first video on this channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell to be notified every time that I post. And right now I just got a phone call that I have to go pick up a load like 30 minutes away from where I'm at now. So we're gonna do a pre-trip. We're gonna go pick up this load and we're gonna get it dropped. Welcome to Trucking with Kash the Celebrity, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So right now, guys, we're just going to do a little normal pre-trip, what truck drivers should do every time before they pull out of the truck stop in the mornings. So right now, we're just going to do a pre-trip, check the lights and everything on the truck, make sure everything's good before we roll out. My lights, make sure all my lights working properly. And of course, this man right here, he had parked so close to me yesterday, so yeah, he almost hit me. Look how his tractor turned, look at his trailer. Look under here. Now we're about to roll out and go pick up this load. I don't know why I dropped off it yesterday. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I gotta go pick up my load. I made it to the place where I had to pick my load up from in St. Louis, Missouri. And I'm just here trying to check in or about to check in or whatever. I can't pick up my load, but they told me I was early, so now I gotta go check out. So let me out the gate. I drove 30 minutes to a truck stop to get Denny's, and the Denny's is permanently closed, so now I have to try to find me some food. Hey guys, so we are back at the truck stop that I stayed at last night because the Denny's was shut down and I gotta walk and get me some meat. So now I'm about to drop my trailer so I can bobtail go get me some food. Personal conveys for food. And now we are in PC. So I just bobtailed the Cracker Barrel so I can get me some pancakes and some grits. And I dropped my trailer at the truck stop. Hopefully they don't mess with it though. I'm going right back over there. But I'm not gonna take y'all with me in Cracker Barrel because I don't want to walk with the camera in my hand. But I'm just letting y'all know what I came to so I can get me some food. I can be a big bag. Looking back up to my trailer. So now I'm about to try to go get my load that they will not let me pick up earlier. My appointment's for today, but they're telling me I have to get the load tomorrow. So now we're gonna go down here and just try and see if they give me the load, because I'm ready to head towards Arkansas. So now I'm back at the place. They are letting me get my load, so I'm about to go get loaded in door 17, and then we're gonna head over to Little Rock, Arkansas. After hours of waiting, I'm finally getting loaded, or about to get loaded. They haven't even started yet, but they did let me check in this time. They told me I had to wait till tomorrow, but the man went on and let me in the gate. So now I gotta sit here and wait for my light to turn red, because still black and red. I don't know how long it's gonna take though. So as you guys can see, my light is red, which means they are about to start loading me. I'm still not sure how long it's gonna take though, but we can go sit here and wait patiently until they're done. Y'all, my light just turned green. I'm done getting loaded. It's time to roll out. I gotta strap this load down. I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I go strap this load down. Yeah. Got it. Alright. It's tight, it's good. I might start live on my phone so they can see me strap the load down. I ain't end it live because I was in the guy's way or whatever. But I got it now. So we're gonna finish strapping this load down. We're gonna strap the bottom part so this way the load won't slide. You gotta make sure it's tight though. You have to get it as tight as you can so that way the product won't fall. This is the reason why I got these so tight. I got the strap so tight. I got these black pieces on the floor that's supposed to hold up against this that I did not put up there. Nobody told me that. I didn't even know what it was for until God just told me what it was. But that's how you put straps on the load. And this is to secure the load so the load won't slide, and then you damage it and then it's on you. But with this being so tight, I did bend the beer boxes. They probably won't say nothing though. I mean, they're just keeping it from from slide. That's the first strap. I'm taking this strap off. I'm gonna put this one down here at the bottom of the load. I'm about to show y'all that. Alright. Hold on, y'all. I think I just got this right. Alright, y'all. Alright, got the second strap on. Alright guys, so y'all, I just got done getting loaded. I got my paperwork and everything. Now I'm about to do overnight parking here at the place. They let you sleep here overnight, so I'm taking my 10-hour break here. My load is due Monday, but most likely I'm gonna get it there tomorrow. Have it sent at their front door tomorrow. You know, your girl gonna get the load there, gonna get the job done. So I'm about to end up just going to sleep for the night, and then I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Today is currently Saturday, May the 31st, so I'm gonna finish this vlog out tomorrow. I'm still taking guys along with me, and I'm probably just gonna make this one long video. So stay tuned and continue watching. Good morning, everyone. So it's day 2 of day 3, and it is currently June the 1st at 7:47 a.m. It's Sunday, so most places are closed. My load is not due until tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to drop it off today. I'm not sure if they're gonna let me drop the load or not, but if not, we'll just find somewhere to park it for today. So now I'm just about to go inside, brush my teeth and everything. I already washed my face and all that good stuff, so I'm just gonna go in here, brush my teeth, slide my tunnel so that we can roll out. So this place have overnight parking, and they also have like a little shop where you can get you some snacks at night. And I just feel like that every shipper and receiver should have that. Like, I just really feel like we need parking in places for us to brush our teeth, shower, and eat. Like, even if it's not real food, at least it's something better than nothing. You know, like some places, some shipping receivers, they really don't care about you. They really just want their product, and they don't care if you have somewhere to sleep or not. Like, you just here. But right now I'm just walking back to my truck so that I can, well, actually my pre-trip is already on. I have to slide my tandems. And then I'm gonna pull out so that I can go to Arkansas to drop this load. We all sealed up and about to head out. So I'm just about to show you guys how to slide tandems to the front, and I'm gonna place this bag inside of my truck, and then I'm gonna come back. Just about to pour release the pins for the tandems, because right now they're locked in, so you have to release the pin. Alright, so I just released the pins to the tandem. They are supposed to be in between this, so the tires are supposed to be in between this line. The tires need to be in between that line. So these are the tires. It needs to be in between that line. So this needs to be in between that 40. So this is where it needs to be. Okay, come out so you guys can see. This is where it needs to be. I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. Bring the camera down just a little bit. Alright, there it goes. So this is how you slide your tandems. And now I'm gonna pull that lever back in so that it can lock the pins back in. And now the pins are about to be locked in. They're not locked in yet. You guys can't even see it. It won't focus, but those are the pins that lock in the tandems. So I did my pre-trip and everything, and now we're about to roll out to Arkansas. Make sure you guys continue to watch and stay tuned for day 3 out of 3 tomorrow when we drop the load. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I love all my supporters. About to get me some fuel in depth. I'm about to get my depth. Diesel exhaust fuels. Alright guys, so now I filled up with diesel and depth. Okay, so now I had to pull up to the yellow line because I cannot see any fuel out. The other truckers have to get diesel as well. So now I'm just about to pull up to the yellow line. So right now, I'm walking inside the truck stop. We're gonna get me some food and to use the restroom as well. We are parked for the day. I walked inside the truck stop and got me some food. My appointment for my low is due tomorrow, so we are parked up very early today. The first item that I purchased were some Cinnabites or Cinna sticks from Pizza Hut. My second item that I purchased was a pepperoni pizza. And of course, I had to grab my favorite juice. So if anyone wants to get me a drink, this is my favorite. Minute Maid Fruit Punch is the bomb. It's the best juice of all times. It is day 3. It's delivery day. It's Monday, June the 2nd. So let's drop this load off. We made it to our destination. It's currently 7:36 a.m. and my appointment is at 8 a.m. And so right now, me and another driver is just sitting here at the gate until 8 o'clock when the place opens. The place is very tight, so that's why my trailer looks so close to his like that. But we got it. Y'all, I'm delivering to Budweiser. So it's currently 10:15 a.m. I'm still sitting at the gate waiting for them to call me to the back to get unloaded. We've been here since 7:30 a.m. and I'm still currently sitting here waiting. Alright y'all, so I've been waiting for a couple of hours. I'm finally in the dark door and now I gotta sit here and wait to get unloaded. I got unloaded. I made it to the truck stop, give me some food, about to roll out to Mississippi, pick up and head to Savannah, Georgia.